Most of the country is facing the difficulty of an enforced lockdown due to COVID-19. However, this also gives us the opportunity to determine the ways to manage your finances better, which could be useful even after the end of this pandemic. Albert Einstein had once said that in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Here are 10 easy ways. So let's start one by one. Number 1. A great model for your monthly budget is the 50 by 30 by 20 rule. Means 50% of your salary should go towards things that you need. Example, food, rent, education, EMIs, etc. 30% on things that you want. Example, restaurants, movies, non-food shopping, travel and etc. And 20% allocated to safe investments like debit or equity. Mutual funds that can be used as a corpus to be used for large expenses, example, health issues, college fees, wedding, etc. The curfew has greatly limited our ability to go out of the house to spend money and we want. This extended homestay will help you analyze what you really need versus what you want. Number 2. Have fun with your family in the kitchen, learning to cook exotic new recipes. You will be less dependent on the getting cooked meals delivered from restaurants, which will lead to saving. Post the lockdown, make cooking with the family a weekly Sunday activity. Some of the food can even be frozen to be consumed later in the week. When you are cooking for something besides the usual dal, sabzi and roti. Number 3. Going out for a movies for a family of 4 gets quite expensive if you include the cost of multiplex tickets and overpriced theater snacks. Many new movies are now being shown in OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime and Hotstar soon after their theater release. Get the family to watch these films together with a bowl of homemade popcorn and the other snacks. Post this lockdown, you can even invite your friends for a fun evening of movie watching. Number 4. Analyze the monthly or annual membership you have for gyms and social clubs. Example, Lions, Rotary, kitty parties, etc. See how often you can actually go to them. If your attendance is less than 30% in a year, consider giving these memberships up. Also, have a look at the paid softwares you have on your laptops and phones. If you have not used them for more than 6 months, consider downgrading to the free version or using the many other free alternatives available online. Number 5. If you own more than one car, consider selling the other one. You will be able to travel more conveniently in Ola or Uber in most cities. If you want to drive the car yourself, you can use a self-driver car rental service like Zoomcar to get around. Imagine how much you will save in car EMIs, maintenance, petrol and parking charges through this. Number 6. Use the time at home to clear out all the stuff you haven't used in the last year. Please do not hoard things in the hope that you will use them someday. Sell these second-hand goods on platforms like OLX or Quikr. Better still, consider donating them to a local NGO. Number 7. Develop a frugal mindset in all things and identify ways you can save money. Identify the credit cards or online payment services that give you the best cashbacks or rewards and use them as a priority. Purchase non-branded clothes and accessories which tends to be of similar quality to the expensive brands. Aside from the haircut, most beauty parlor regimes can be done by yourself at home. Raise your home air conditioner temperature to at least 24 degrees Celsius. Your body will adopt the moderate temperature. Change all light bulbs to the cost-saving LED or CFL ones. Take all electronics like TV, ACs, laptops, etc. out of standby mode, as this could raise your monthly electric bills. Keep looking for more of these minor ways to save money. All the little savings will add up to a lot. Number 8. Aside from cost savings, there are many ways you can increase your monthly income by starting an online business or doing online jobs in the evening or weekends outside your 9 to office hours. There are many websites like Upwork and Fiverr that let you bid for projects, right from content writing to larger consulting projects. There are many sites that let you provide online tutoring and give other online job opportunities. All of these don't require any investments except your time. Number 9. Warren Buffett said that the best time to buy is when everyone is selling. The equity markets will be very volatile for the coming year. However, due to the overall environment of fear, most people are selling their stocks and valuations are at all-time lows. If you have a pool of capital that you do not need for living expenses, you may want to purchase stocks of good quality firms periodically as the market dips. This could give you the overwhelming returns on your capital over the long term. Number 10. Have some regards for the less fortunate who are not able to weather the storm as easily as you can. Try to purchase supplies for small shops and hawkers as they need your money more than the large grocery outlets. Also, do not haggle too much as each extra rupees will count. Donate your money or time to NGOs who are providing relief efforts for these greatly affected by COVID-19 lockdown, like the homeless or stray animals. Remember, this tough period will go away at some point. Make the best of this short time to come out financially stronger and give your benefits that will last a lifetime. Try these smart ways to manage your finances in times of COVID-19. Do subscribe if you find my videos useful and do click bell icon after subscribing or else you will miss my videos and its notification. Like if you find it knowledgeable and useful. Don't forget to comment. Let me know how these smart ways are useful to manage your finances during these situations. Share this video with your friends and family, even they learn this useful knowledge and my channel also gets support. And finally, thanks for watching.